ConferenceCast is a premier knowledge platform for streaming conference talks on demand. We help conference organizers create their own virtual displays and libraries of conference talks that can be monetized and used as a marketing tool to engage, retain, and drive communities. Let's see the example of a white label video display for a single conference. Our widgets can be easily embedded on any website. We keep your brand colors and style. Our robust search engine will help find a specific topic you are interested in within seconds. All talks are displayed in the same way and have rich navigation features. Every talk has a 2-minute
Hello,
preview.
everybody. Today we are going to present a
description, speakers' profiles, active transcript,
with an illustrative transaction timeline first and walk through the
active table of content, and keywords. We can also allow an audio format and download materials. ConferenceCast is an end-to-end solution. We create all these features and proofread all descriptions. The only thing you need to do is to send us your videos, even if in a raw format. We provide different paywall and distribution strategies, selling videos individually or full access to the whole conference. It can also be in bundles, like in this example. You can also provide exclusive access, complimentary videos, subscription, and mix of strategies. For those conference organizers who have more than 3 events, we can create a branded virtual archive. It's your own video portal on your domain. It's a great opportunity to build a loyal community, providing members with valuable content by membership subscription. With an archive, you get complete libraries of your events, speakers, and talks, with a lot of search and navigation opportunities, like using a search field, or tags, or filters. Different types of paywall allow you to work with different kinds of users, selling again by a talk, conference, or subscription, and providing complimentary access. As a conference organizer, you have full access to your admin dashboard with user data and purchase statistics. Our mission is to help you to turn your video content into a long-time asset and give your audience access to industry trends and cases shared at your conferences at a self-educational model. Thank you for your attention.